Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about CWRV concept. CWRV means candle wick reading with volume. When you start understanding the candle behavior by understanding their body, their wicks along with their volume, that is called CWRV concept. In CWRV concept, there are so many strategies. There are so many different kinds of analysis. It's a type of analysis. CWRV is not a name of a strategy. It's a type of analysis, right? So once you understand how to read market, by understanding the body, wicks, and the volume along with the movement, then you will be able to understand the process of taking trades, right? So let's start this video and let me show you some live examples so that you can understand it properly. Let's go, guys. And the videos that I'm creating right now on this YouTube channel is only for educational purposes, right? So do not take a risk, do not invest your money, and yes, just watch this video as an educational video. Let's go, guys. So let's try to understand the situation of the current market now. I can see that buyers are trying to take control over the market, but rejection is coming out from the seller side. And sellers are so aggressive in this candle, but they have dropped the volume. It means there are possibility that this candle can close as a green candle, right? But it's not 100% sure that this candle can close as a green candle. Why? Because previously buyers have entered it. The color of the candle are buyers, right? So we cannot consider the next can be a green only. But yes, if this candle will reach out to this place, there are more possibility of reversal, or maybe you will get a wick, like the market will give us a wick. So yeah, let's see. Okay, buyers are so nice in the market. They are trying to move up, but rejection is coming out from the seller side very strongly. So if this candle will close as a seller's candle, we can consider the sellers are weak because they dropped the volume and there are possibility that buyers can attack here, right? So because of that reason, this line can be a good option for buyers entry. Okay, so let's see. I think from here, buyers can take control over the market because this is a very strong buyer's area. And nearby that buyer's area, you can see that one seller's candle have entered in the market. Look at the wick. Wick is so nice, right? And they also have dropped the volume. It means sellers are weak at this point, and there are possibility that buyers will give us a wick nearby this place, or maybe this candle can close as a buyer's candle. But again, it's not 100% sure. Let's see. Okay, market is trying to move up, means buyers are getting aggressive in the market. Okay, buyers are good. Buyers are good. Buyers are good. Very strongly, buyers are trying to enter, and they are also increasing the volume. So increasing volume means they are increasing the power. And when they are increasing the power, it means they are so nice in the market, right? So let's open Euro JPY again. And here there is one more possibility that buyers can take control over the market, but not exactly at the entry point, at the opening price, but with the marginal safety. If market will give us some, marginal safety, then we can consider that here we can have a wick. All right, let's wait for it. Because sellers are weak and buyers have entered very strongly in the market. That's why buyers are trying to take control over the market. So yeah, let's see. I think if this candle will close as a buyer's candle, good buyer's candle, and they drop the volume, then there are possibility that sellers can attack. Because see, if buyers enter very strong in the market, then there are possibility that buyers can enter again. But if buyers enter with low volume, it means buyers are weak, and there are possibility sellers can take control over the market. See, this candle was trying to take control. This candle was trying to close as a buyer's, but with the rejection, this candle closed as a seller's candle, but they have dropped the volume. Again, there is more possibility that this candle can close as a buyer's candle, but there is no, a strong reason for the buyers here. All right, let's see. Buyers are nice. Buyers are nice. Rejection is coming out from the seller side. Okay, okay. Very strongly, sellers are trying to enter in the market. Okay, sellers are nice. Sellers are so nice. Okay, sellers are good. Sellers are good. Very strongly, sellers entered in the market. Okay, very strongly, sellers entered in the market. Okay, so now here, what is happening? Sellers momentum is there. From here, if you can see, sellers momentum is there, and then buyers entered, and then again sellers entered again and again. So seller's momentum is so nice, but because there is a buyer's zone here, that's why, that's why market is struggling and they're not moving down, right? And here there are possibility that market can move up. It can be a better opportunity for the buyers because, previously in two candles, in not just two candles, if you see there are so many candles with a rejection from the seller side, right? And last two candles have dropped the volume. It means sellers dropped their power. And when sellers drop their power, it means they are weak. And when sellers are weak nearby the buyers area, there are more possibility that buyers can take control over the market, right? So because of that reason only, there is a very good opportunity for the buyers to take control over the market. Okay, let's see. Buyers are so nice. Okay, buyers entered very strongly. Can you see that? Buyers have entered very strongly in the market. Okay, let's open Euro JPY again. And buyers have entered very strongly, but this time buyers dropped the volume. And that is the problem. Because when buyers enter very strongly with the candle size, but they drop the volume, it means they are weak. And when they are weak, there are more possibility that other party can take control over the market, right? So we don't have any good opportunity for the buyers here. All right, let's see. Buyers are trying to enter very strongly in the market. Okay, so let's trail the line from there to here. Okay, because this is a strong, entry point for the sellers. Okay, strong place from sellers can take control over the market. Okay, but this candle is breaking the area. So now there are possibility market can continue in the same direction. Okay, let's, okay, here there are good opportunity for the buyers. Why? Because you can see that how many candles, it took so many candles to reach from this place to this place, right? Like there are so many candles. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 candles. It took 11, 10 candles to reach from here to here. But in just 2 minutes, in just two candles, they have already recovered the area. It means they are powerful. They are not just the normal candle. They are so powerful and they can make the market move in the same direction. They can inspire the movement, right? So because of that reason only, there are opportunities here that buyers can take control over the market. Let's see. Okay, here you can see that this candle also closed as a buyer's candle, right? So this type of analysis is called CWRV concept. I understood the candlestick, I understood their volume, I understood their wicks, and based on that, I analyzed the market, right? Again, guys, I'm not suggesting you anything. So do not try to invest by just watching this video. This video is only for educational purposes. So yes, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Have a very lovely day. I hope you enjoyed the video.